Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Jugnu Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Children, today we will do some maths worksheets of matching quantity with the numbers. So let's start. 2 aeroplanes. 4 apples. 3 cars. 9 dots. 6 pencils. 5 balls. 7 ants. 1 candy. 12 stars. 8 bees. 10 flowers. 7 fingers. 9 fingers. 2 fingers. 3 fingers. 10 fingers. 6 fingers. 0 fingers. 8 fingers. 1 finger. 4 fingers. 5 fingers. 11 dots. 18 dots. 15 dots. 12 dots. 16 dots. Children, I hope you understand today's lesson. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.